Did you know you can center an object in the middle of your artboard in Adobe Illustrator? Not by dragging it and lining it up with guides, but just with a simple button. So here we have our icons, and we want to put one of them directly in the center of our artboard. Now, we could try dragging it and lining it up with our smart guides, but you can see that especially when we have a background as complex as this, or as many objects as we currently have on our artboard, it makes it really difficult to line up. Illustrator knows that we want to line it up with something, but it's not entirely sure what. There are just too many options to line up with. So instead, we're going to need our Align toolbar. Now, if you don't have that up, all you have to do is go up to Window, Align, or use the shortcut Shift F7 to bring that up. But I always keep mine parked over here in the toolbar. Now, normally when you use these Align tools, it's in order to align two or more objects to each other. So say if we have these two objects selected, then we could use the horizontal center button to align those two objects to each other. But if we click that button again, it doesn't do anything. But what happens if you have only one of these objects selected? So let's click on our pretzel and see what happens. So if we click on our pretzel and then hit the horizontal center button again, now we see it popped right into the center of our artboard. And if we want it vertically centered as well, we can just click on the vertical center button, and there you go. Now it's both horizontally and vertically centered with just 2 button clicks. Now, the reason a lot of people don't realize that this tool works this way is because the default behavior changes depending on whether you have one object selected or multiple. Eagle-eyed viewers may have spotted why that happened. We can see with our single object selected that in the bottom right corner of our Align toolbar, we have this icon selected that's labeled Align to Artboard. But if we click on our second object, we can see that that highlighted button changed. Now it's the second button, which if we highlight that, it says Align to Selection. So that means if we use our alignment buttons, it's aligning these two objects to each other, not to the artboard. But we can override this. With both of our objects selected, we can just click on this Align to Artboard button. And then if we click on our vertical center alignment button, it aligned both of our objects to the center of our artboard. And if we click on the horizontal center button, now both of them are dead center in the middle of our artboard. And that's it. That's how we can quickly align objects to our artboard in Adobe Illustrator. This method has saved me a few times when I've been trying to center an object, but there's just too much going on my artboard. So this little trick can save you a lot of time and headache. And now that you've learned how to quickly align objects to your artboard, have you ever tried to apply a gradient to an icon or illustration in Adobe Illustrator, only for it to give you some really weird results, almost like it's applying your gradient multiple times to different parts of your illustration? I have a video right here on why that happens and how to fix it.